Thank you everybody for clicking this video. Today I'm delighted to be here, and just right away I'm going to let you know how can you speak English language. How to become confident English speaker. As you have seen thumbnail is that become a confident English speaker. Yes, if you really want to become a confident English speaker, so watch this video till end now. So before jumping into this video, I want to let you know one thing. I have brought something for you. You have to follow. If you follow, you would become confident speaker. You will see yourself, yeah, now I became a confident speaker. You know, everybody knows about grammar. Everybody knows about vocabulary. But when it comes to speak, they are unable to express their thought. They are unable to have conversation with their boss, with their teachers. So don't worry about that. Let it be. So without any further ado, let's get started. So I have brought simple 5 ways for English speaking. Just follow these ways, and after that magic will happen with you. The first one is that expand your vocabulary. If you really want to become a confident English speaker, then expand your vocabulary, because it plays the role in your speaking. You might be thinking, from where I can get vocabulary? Nowadays and in this era, you can get vocabulary from everywhere. You know, like YouTube. There are lots of tutors. You can follow one of them, and after that, by that you can get vocabulary. You know, you have also Google, ChatGPT. You can learn vocabulary from there. So don't pretend it, I don't have vocabulary. Just try to find at it and try to get it, the things. And after that, you would see yourself, yeah, you have a treasure of the vocab. The first one is that improve your vocabulary, expand your vocabulary. Now, the second one is that focus on your fluency, not perfection. You know, you might be thinking one thing, like what is the perfection and fluency? Yes, keep practicing. Like that, while speaking, while having conversation, you made, suppose you do mistake. If you do mistake, so don't worry about your mistake. Focus on your fluency, focus on your fluency. And but one thing, keep in mind, you know, try to enhance your mistake. Try to eliminate your mistake. By that mistake, you have to learn lots of things. And do one thing, mistake shouldn't be repeated. Understood? So do mistake, and by that mistake, learn lots of things. Enhance yourself. But focus on your fluency, not perfection. Not perfection. And now third one is that pronunciation. Yes. You know, there are lots of teachers, and even, you know, there are lots of boys, they are you know, they say you don't need pronunciation. But I want to say you one thing, you know, it plays an important role in English language. If you don't know what is the exact pronunciation of these words, that words, you will lack everywhere. So try to enhance your pronunciation. Just I'm going to give you some example. There is a one word, you know, Forget. How do you pronounce this word? Forget. But it is not forget, it is forget. Forget. There is one word also, Forgive. How do you pronounce this word? Forgive. Don't say forgive, it's a forgive. Forgive. So you need to enhance your pronunciation also. The fourth rule is that CEFR test. What does it mean? Common European Framework of Reference. Under this, there are 6 levels. The first level is that starter. Second level is that elementary. And third level is that, advanced. And fourth level is that pre-advanced. And fifth level is that fluency. And sixth level is that proficiency. It means, you have to work according to this rule. You have to go through CEFR test. It means, you have to check your level. Where are you standing right now? So go CEFR test, go through CEFR test and try to figure out your level. And after that, do work on that. Now, fifth one is that, isolated yourself and be consistent. If you really want to build up any kind of language, if you want to have, any kind of language like Canadian, American, British, whatever you want to build up. So first, you must be consistent. Okay. So try to be consistent, and after that, at least 1 month isolated yourself. In that way, you will see yourself. It will be remarkable for you. So bye bye everyone. We will meet another session. Thank you everyone for watching this video.